present on-screen commentary of some incidents to help viewers understand each situation, and comment educational feedback to enhance the knowledge of drivers. Before we begin, please make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Enjoy watching.
Life itself. Think about moments in your life when you felt in love with life. When you saw the light dancing through the leaves on the sidewalk. And when you, for a moment, realized how simple that is and how it's beautiful. Think of the moments.
I've seen it before. What was there? Oh, that one right there? Yeah. I'll go over there. I don't like
That's the turn, that's the turn.
Oh! Christ, dog.
Holy guacamole. Okay, that one was not my fault.
That was what the hell is he doing?
Holy.
Yeah, I mean, usually 5 things work, but like, sometimes just want a few extra more, you know?
I like hold it, it goes straight to 100.
Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my
keep
god.
climbing.
Dude. Oh.
Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my
keep
god.
climbing.
Dude. Holy shit.
She had those alcoholic. What the? It's like, what are you doing? It was hot. You know, she's like, oh, it's got vodka. I was like, oh, really? She's like, oh, yeah, I've had 3.
Dude,
like,
what
right.
the?
Oh, yeah, oh, God. I mean, there, I had to turn my eye. Like, I can't look at this. This is too much for me. 6421 Rock. Steve, who is our first contestant, ready to play the big game. Hello, Kim. Welcome to the men's room. Hey, Johnny.
Flip out on them. Dude, this is a $150,000 car.
Bro, did you just hit my car?
Did he?
I'm going to speed limit, buddy.
This is a $150,000 car.
I wonder what you should say. You should say
Not your best. Clearly mini material. Harvestella, delightfully mini. Sometimes you see a game and you're like, oh no, they spent too much money on this. There's no way this makes its money back. That they went over budget on this. And then also sometimes you can clearly see they didn't give it enough. Oh, their ambitions were too high for the time and money they were given for this. Harvestella is Baby Bear's porridge. Square Enix seemingly spent the perfect amount of budget on this farming, crafting RPG. And I hope you at home now have an understanding of what Mini entails.
This retard fucking doing, dude? And another one? Jesus Christ.
Quarters of a mile. Well, it's always kind of a little bit rough in the summer, and thunderstorms are, kind of one of the most disruptive things that can happen to your flight. It's very unpredictable. Take the next left onto Post Creek Road.
So, what are these buttons for? So comfy. Ah! I'm burning! Ah! Out! Oh no! No, no, no! Not me!
The sound is so powerful. And what's this? Yeah, this is fun. Yeah. Not my fault.
Time to try this beauty.
Huh? Simply the best. It's perfect. The engine is so powerful.
Oh, yummy. Oopsie.
The race is on.
What have you done? You ruined it. You'll have to pay for this car. Come with me. Cash your card. Good. Approved. Congrats on your purchase. You deserve it.
Advanced types of semiconductors without the Dutch. Specifically, you need one Dutch company called ESMM. This company has developed pretty mind-bending technology.
I just don't know. I mean, putting her.
What happened?
Someone crashed.
That could have been us.
Just go. Just go.
Why did they crash? I didn't cause it, right?
I don't think so.
I was turning right.
You were turning right.
Name another monster catching game out right now. Temtem. Temtem. See, Digimon's kind of dead. Temtem is completely dead. They apparently recently with microtransactions and no one.
That you're superior over me, just to be like, oh, I have a gun and you don't, like, you still want to fight. And then I'm like, well, obviously, no, I don't want to fight, because if you're about to shoot me over me honking my horn, then, like, no. But, you know, it was like a weird, because I was paid off, but also it was like a gun and you don't, like, you still want to fight. And then I'm like, well, obviously, no, I don't want to fight, because if you're about to shoot me over me honking my horn, then, like, no. But, you know, it was like a weird, because I was paid off, but also it was like a gender thing at that point too. Like, he's trying to assert his dominance over me, basically. Be like,
You get left turn here.
I know that, Ross. Hold on. Give me a second. Get over there. Whoa.
I think we need to pull over.
What'd I get?
A red or an orange, whatchamacallit.
I think I'm all right.
A lot of license plates out there, but the trick is getting one with the number that's good, because a lot of them, they're just been reused. But they're out there. What year are you looking for?
31.
Oh, yeah. That'll be a little harder than 55, I think. But you should, oh, this guy. Oh, look out, everybody.
It's a harrowing experience.
Oh, Salazar told you about the wreck.
You didn't have to, I knew. You are not the first to founder of Ship Trap Island.
This is ship trap.
Yes, and the most amusing spot, I guarantee. Now, if you will follow Salazar, he will show you to your room and catch some breakfast. Sleep the day through, my friend, and tonight will sing.
Oh, my.
Otos and bananas. Oof, what the heck?
Let's make an old sound.
Oh, shh.
I like
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Crazy lady.
electrician killed in Las Vegas. Jesus Christ, dude. Well, here I go. Get out of here.
Yaptı. Bu işte. Pekala. Ben Cedric diyeceğim.
Evet, şüphelendiğim gibi Cedric. Evet Gary. Cedric için yanıyorsun.
Gary'nin Cedric diyeceğine emindim ama ben Gary diyemem. Başta beni yazmadı çünkü. Şimdi defol. Sanırım stratejik olarak...
Over, or I didn't know what I was gonna do. Oh God, that's bad. Oh God, I did not see what happened. Did you see what happened?
Yeah, it hit that car.
Who hit who?
Did you see that white car?
I know I saw the white car hit the other car, but then what happened?
It like made a big weird noise.
Are you okay? Stay here. Stay here.
Oh, damn.
And then he just working for Chipotle to. There you go. Well, you're welcome anytime.
Really? Okay, do you have...
1978, Jane lived in her apartment and worked as a burger chef full-time, driving a white 1974 Chevrolet Vega.
Oh, this guy's gonna go too. You're gonna get hit.
Jesus Christ.
That red guy shouldn't be going. Look at his marks.
Shut them, give up.